guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are making another card using the box of the month. Now you can purchase this box as a one-time purchase, or you can join the box of the month club. If you choose the frequency monthly, when you check out, you'll see a 5% discount. That will get you into the club. Now we'll have some perks throughout the year, like special discounts and sales for club members only. Plus you'll get an exclusive 4x6 stamp set on your 6-month anniversary. To check out all the items that come in the box, watch my previous video. I'll have one linked in the description box for you. For today's video, I'm mostly going to be using the Not Today stamp set. It features this cute girl, an armchair. We've got some shirts at the top, which are really cute, a face mask, a bow, a chocolate bar, and socks. I think I use every image from the stamp set on this card. So I'm going to stamp it up with the Memento Tuxedo Black ink for my images, and I'm going to use Copic markers today. I did want to mention before I get into the construction of the card here that it does cost $8 to ship the box. I will be shipping it priority mail, so you'll get it super fast. That is for US only. I do have a shipping calculator for international if you want to see what the shipping will cost. Also, I've already discounted the box 10%, so it does not allow for coupons. And if you do join the club, you will get an additional 5% at checkout. So I've got my Slimline card builder die here by Whimsy, and I cut out my panel. I cut 2 panels out, one with the shapes, and I'm going to pop this up with some foam tape. And then I'm going to add a little bit of color on these shapes. So I took my distress inks and spun sugar. I also took our stamp, this one, Winter Friends. I took the little snow stamp, and I used that for just to create some interest in the background. It's very subtle. I used the same color. So I'm going to do that for the last one here. So when you're using a blender brush, you can get a really nice soft blend. So I just wanted this to be like a faded, faint color in the background. And then I'm going to stamp the little snow. Okay, so let's put the card base together. So I'll be back. I'm going to add some foam tape to the back, and then we can put this card together. I'm just going to add my squares back in. Okay, I'm going to put this cute little girl on the chair so she fits perfectly there. And I think I'm going to put it in the corner down here. So I want to put some pop dots on this part that the square is not raised up. Okay, and then we're going to add some glue. Okay, so we'll position our chair exactly where we want it, and I think I need a little glue on that leg there underneath. And we're going to glue her right on the chair. Okay, she's so cute there. I'm going to hold my card base down. So I wanted to use these shirts, Namaste in Bed, Not Today. So I think I'm going to have Not Today at the top, so it says Not Today, Namaste in Bed. So I want to put these opposite of each other. So we're going to have this one on this side, and then this one on this side, so it balances it all out. I want to add the books down here. I think I want to have her reading a book. So I was thinking about trimming this a little bit so it looks like it's tucked in her leg there, or I could do like cut it with an X-Acto knife, but I already glued it down, so I was thinking about trimming that, the shape of her leg. So let me get my scissors. I mean, I could just put it like this, but I want her legs, the book to be in front of her legs. So I'm just going to just do a little trim here. Okay, so see how her leg is showing there? So I want the black line to show. I did that pretty good without doing any pencil line to make sure. Okay, so I just cut a little bit off here, just a little rounded edge here so we could see her leg. I want the book to look like it's not covering her leg up, so we could see her legs crossed. So I put some foam dots on there. I think that's gonna look cute. Okay, so she is reading that book, and then she's got her pile of books over here. So we're gonna put a little foam dot in the corner. And then add some glue around. There, that is so cute. Same with the shirts. We want to put some foam and then glue that on. These images are really fun to color. I had a lot of fun coloring these in. Okay, that's going to be enough foam dots. So there's lots of days where I feel like I'm going to stay in bed, not today, do a little meditation. I used to do yoga a lot, and I really, really loved it. But it's been so long, I am not flexible anymore. You have to work up to it. Okay, so let's make sure this is fitting in the circle there. See that one foam dot's in the way. Bring it down a little bit. There we go. I thought coloring in the shirts kind of like a blended color with the green blending into the pink, and then this dark pink blending into this kind of like purplish pink. I thought that looked really cool. See, it's easier to put the foam dots on the bottom here instead of the stamped image. Okay, so now to balance it out, I want to put these flowers in the other corners. Oh, I wanted to put the socks with the t-shirt. So that's going to look really cute. And then put that cute bow on her. There, I think that's cute like that. Let's pop up the socks. I think I'm going to pop up this flower and this flower. Yeah. So cute. I wish I popped up this flower because I like that better. I feel like something needs to be popped up over here for some reason. I don't think a chocolate bar is going to go with my flower. It's okay. I think what's going to tie this all together is some black splatters. So I want some controlled splatters since I have everything down already. So I'm going to find one of my stamps and stamp on my splatter. So our fall gnome stamp has 2 great splatter stamps in there that I can use. So I'll get a small block that I can fit in between. These little circles would probably look cute too if I just did those in black. Should I do splatters or circles? So I love how this turned out. It was so fun to make, so fun to color. These images are just so cute. I did pop up the cute little bow. So she is reading her book here. She's got the pile of books. We've got the t-shirt, not today, the sweatshirt, namaste in bed, and then the book says me time. Love how this turned out with the little black stamped bubbles there. I did add some Trinity Stamps gems, so that looks super pretty. I have that faint pink in the background there. I think it ties it all together with this pink trim. All the links will be in the description box for you. Thanks for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. And I'll catch you real soon in the next video. Bye, guys.